the art of being diplomatic in your negotiations, no matter with whom, your kids, your friends, your partners, your colleagues. Young Sheldon, the series, and the little sibling, his sister, Missy, asks her mother, "Why is Sheldon so clever and I am not? Why am I not as clever as Sheldon?" And the mother is genius, in my opinion. She says, mm, "You have your superpowers too." And Missy asks, "Such as?" And the mother answers, "You have a beautiful hair." And I was in shock when I heard Mrs. respond. She thought a little bit and then nodded. True. And she was completely happy with that piece of news, with that compliment. It's hilarious, and it's the best way to distract one person from the obvious advantages of another person. So, as for Russian variant, we speak Russian here with you. How to say some compliments in Russian. The one which comes to my mind right now, it's an exprompt. I'm speaking right now with you in my car, Drive to Survive, a project of mine. We can also say something pleasant to another person, and my variant for you, I can share it right now if you want. I usually say what I like about that person, no matter what he or she thinks of himself, of themselves about that. For example, I can say, "I admire your calmness," or "I admire your bravery," or "I admire your optimism." In Russian, it says, "I admire optimism." You can say, "Восхищаюсь твоим оптимизмом." I admire your optimism. Восхищаюсь твоим оптимизмом. Voila. Say it to somebody today, and then please come back in comments and share what was the reaction of that person, okay? And thank you, my dear friends, for your attention. I admire your talent and skill to watch, listen, and stay with me. See you in the next video. I admire your attention, your optimism, and you are the best. Have a nice day. See you in the next video, maybe already tomorrow.